Logical dependencies are the most important part of smart documents. They save you the most time and generate the most value for you. Essentially, they allow you to automate your expertise when drafting a document. Let's start with the if-then conditions. This is a select element which contains two options for wording: in cash and by bank transfer. The select element is followed by a text element that reads, "to the bank account of the borrower." A text input element where users will insert the borrower's bank account, another text element that reads, "kept with," and finally another text input element where users will insert the name of the bank. Obviously, I only want this sentence in the document in cases where I have selected by bank transfer. Here is how to do that. First, we need to name the select element. Click on the select. Enter a name for it in the System Name field. This name is only for automation purposes and won't be visible in the document itself. I'll name it Type of Drawdown. Now I click on the text "to the bank account of the borrower," then click the Conditions tab and Add Condition. Watch closely. The condition reads, "Add selected text to the document if." Now I choose the type of element, which in this case is select. The condition continues in document loan agreement named, so I choose Type of Drawdown to refer to the right select element is set to, and at the end I choose option by bank transfer. As you can see, there is no programming at all. With a little training, anyone can set up these logical dependencies. Let me show you another example. The loan could be repaid as a lump sum or in installments. I insert the question, "how the loan shall be repaid," followed by those two options. This clause, 5.1, should be added to the document in cases where the loan will be repaid in a lump sum. So I click the Edit button and then repeat the process from before. Open the Conditions tab. Click Add Condition. Add selected paragraph to the document if. Here I choose Question, not Select, in document loan agreement name. So here I choose the question I want is set to, and here I choose option lump sum. To insert the condition for installments, I simply copy this condition, paste it into clause 5.2, and just change the answer to in installments. The last if-then example relates to this clause containing a penalty for breach of a confidentiality clause. As you can see, the confidentiality clause is optional, so if the user removes it, then the clause about the penalty makes no sense in the document. Again, I click to the Edit button, the Conditions tab, Add Condition, add selected paragraph to the document if, clause, in document loan agreement named Confidentiality is turned on. Another type of logical dependency you can set up in your Smart document are repeatable clauses. Now I'll show you how to set up a repeatable clause using the previous example of repaying the loan in installments, because I need this clause to repeat for each installment. The user will be inserting the number of installments into this text input. First, I name the text input, in this case, number of installments. Then I click to edit the clause I need to repeat. Open the Repeat tab. Select Repeat this paragraph. Then I can choose whether I want to repeat according to a number in a text input based on a result of a calculation on every time the user hits a certain button. This time I want according to a number in text input. In document loan agreement named, and here I choose the name of the right text input. The last example of automation is populating a text through a document. You can populate text through your Smart document or add cross-reference to a clause by using the link element. I want to populate the name of a lender inserted by the user at the beginning of my document to the signature section. So I name the text input, for example, lender name. Scroll down to Signatures and then click to link. I click on Link to, choose text input, in Document Loan Agreement Named, and here I choose the name of the text input from which I want to populate the text. Let's save it and check if it works. The first condition works. So does the second. And third one works as well. The installment clause repeats correctly, and the name of the lender is populated to all places with signatures.